Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to accept an appointment on Vagaro. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever had a client cancel an appointment at the last minute? If so, you know how frustrating it can be. Not only does it waste your time, but it can also cost you money. That's why it's important to have a system in place for accepting and confirming appointments. This will help you avoid cancellations and ensure that your clients are showing up for their appointments. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vagaro to accept and confirm appointments. I'll also provide some tips for how to avoid cancellations. How to accept an appointment on Vagaro. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Appointments tab. Select the appointment that you want to accept. Click on the Accept button. The appointment will be confirmed and added to your calendar. Tips for avoiding cancellations. Send appointment reminders to your clients. Ask your clients to confirm their appointments. Offer a discount for clients who book and pay for their appointments in advance. Make it easy for your clients to cancel or reschedule their appointments. I hope this video has helped you learn how to accept an appointment on Vagaro. By following the tips in this video, you can help to avoid cancellations and ensure that your clients are showing up for their appointments. Thanks for watching. And until next time, remember to be patient and persistent when it comes to growing your business. If you have any questions about how to accept an appointment on Vagaro, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. I would also love to hear from you about your own experiences with accepting and confirming appointments. What tips do you have for avoiding cancellations? Thanks again for watching.